Hello, I'm Dr. Mehdi Einian. I have been working on machining chatter research questions since 2004. This simulation represents the interaction of a cutting tool and workpiece due to entry, exit, and regenerative vibrations. This is a simplified model to represent milling of a 5mm workpiece with a 25mm single cutter end mill. The flexibility of the workpiece is in the feed direction. As the cutter enters, we see a movement of the workpiece due to average cutting forces, and this vibration lasts for a while and then more strong regenerative vibrations arise. In this video, cutting forces are assumed to be proportional to the uncut chip thickness. The effects of process damping forces are dismissed. However, one can notice the large interaction of the flank of the tool and the workpiece. I had made the original simulation in 2012, and for a while it appeared in my University West webpage before they changed it. Now I'm uploading it again, 5th of December 2018 for YouTube. I hope it's helpful in understanding of vibration behavior in machining. Thank you.